Hi, today in front of you we are VIVO Y22s and I'll show you how to link Unlink Google Assistant from Power Key on this device. So just to do that, we should first open the settings and then scroll down to the shortcuts and accessibility. So once again, after that you'll see here press and hold power button, touch here and switch enable power menu to launch Google Assistant. Then just tap to OK to save the changes, and now just by press and hold the power key we can use Google Assistant. If you want to turn off this option, go back to the settings to this section and switch launch assistant to power menu. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.